Yo, what up YouTube? It's a boy DJ 90 aka Mr. Keys aka DJ 90 Keys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. You know what time it is. So today we are about to make a cookup video. So I'll be showing you how to make an afropop beat. We are making like a slow chilled afro vibe, a beat where you and your plus one will be just chilling, holding hands, grabbing hair by the waist, looking to your eyes, you know that kind of vibe. So without any waste of time, let's get into the video.
Yeah guys, so I'll start with my piano here. So let me just record something. Yeah guys, let's do the drums right now. So let's do drums and yeah, and see what's gonna come out of this. It's a vibe already, you know what I mean. So yeah, let's put some shaker right there. Okay guys, let's go and add another instrument. I don't know what to add, but then let's see. Gonna add the bass. Let's add another instrument like saxophone or something around that, flute, saxophone, something like that. So yeah, let's just go ahead and add it. Oh yeah guys, let's add strings just to back up the sound, you know, like So yeah guys, so now let's go and add the clarinet into this beat. So the sound is from morphine, it's clarinet. So yeah, I'm gonna just play it right here. So yeah guys, let's go and add the diggy vibe. Let's add the organ. Yeah guys, so I went on and arranged the beat, so this is what we have as the final product. Yeah guys, so that's how you make this kind of afropop, the slow vibe afrobeat. So guys, thank you for watching the video. You can go ahead and subscribe to the channel, you can like the video. I'll see you into another one. I'm DJ 90 and I'm out. Peace.